What is up, guys? So welcome to my another new video. So in this video I'm talking about how you can download and install VirtualBox in your computer, but how you can do this, that's the question. So I'll show you that how you can download it. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the computer. So first of all, you need to go to your browser. After that, write VirtualBox. Just open the link, and here is the downloads option. So go into it here. So click on download. I'm using Windows, so I need to download this Windows host. So select the file location. Wait for a few seconds to download it. So you can minimize your browser. And that is your exe file. So install it. Run. So you need to install this. It takes few minutes. Then finish. And that is your VirtualBox. So you can use any type of operating system in here. So that's for today. So next video I'll show you that how you can install Mac in your VirtualBox. So till then, take care. Bye bye.